Yeah? Good, this has nothing to do with that. The little subheading under this is, I believe, formulas, sequence formulas, or formulas for sequences. And let me give you the typical sequence formula. Something looks like this. A sub n equals 3n. A sub n equals 3n. Really, when you talk about sequences, you only need to know what A stands for and what n stands for. Okay? The letter N always stands for, make sure I write it down right, the number of the term we want. And the letter A stands for the value of. If I remember right, I believe last time we made a little table that looked like this. Maybe this will jog your memory. Okay? And it looks a little like this. When you think about sequences, you want to think about this. Okay, this top row is the letter N. The bottom row is the letter A. Okay? If I were using this formula right here and filling in the blanks, here is what it would look like. Okay? The first term you're going to get in the sequence, you take the number 1, put it in for your letter N. What is 3 times 1? 3. The second term, you put that in for the letter N. What is 3 times 2? 6. The fifth term, I put it in for the letter N. 3 times 5 is 15. The ninth term, 3 times 9 is 27. And then the 12th term is 3 times 12, 36. Okay. Because they will ask you, they could ask you, find A sub 15. Well, that means they're looking for, the n is 15, so it's the 15th term. The value of the 15th term, that would equal 3 times n, which is 3 times 15. A to the 15th is, or sub 15 is 45. Again, remember, when you have subscripts, 7th graders, subscripts do not, there's no mathematical process associated with a subscript. It is a way to label things. Okay. A to the 15th power means that you multiply A times itself 15 times. A to the sub 15th does not, there's no process that goes with that. That is just a label. I want the 15th term, the value of the 15th term. You kind of got that? It's not, it looks more complicated really than it is. Here's one. Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term of this sequence. And the sequence is A sub n equals 5n minus 2. Find the 10th term of the sequence. If you're doing this mathematically, so you know that n is 10. I want to find the 10th term. So I put 10 in for the letter n. The value of the 10th term is 5 times 10 minus 2, which would be, the value of the 10th term is 50 minus 2, which is 50 minus 2 is 48. Questions, problems, concerns? Again, a lot of classes clap after I give that to them. What's up?
That was fun and exciting.
You could say that with a little bit more inflection in your voice. That was fun and exciting. How about this one? A sub n equals n squared minus 2. And I asked you to find the, let's make it harder. Find the 12th term. I will just let you give you a chance at that. What would be the 12th term of that sequence? Number 12. Lucky number 12. Twelfth term of that sequence. In which case, if you were doing this at home, following along, you ended up with Alex. Oh, I'm sorry. Was I going too fast? I have no idea what that means. Cameron English. I think we're getting confused here. N squared is not n times 2. It's not 12 times 2. It's 12 times 12. N squared. Exponentially. Yeah? Somebody? Madison! 142, because it would look like this. The value of the 12th term equals 12 for n squared minus 2. 12 squared is 144. 144 minus 2 is 142. Verste or capisce in Italian?
See,
No, that doesn't mean clap. That would be applaud. I wonder what the root of applaud is. Anybody? What root language would applause come from?